covered searching. Now the last thing we're going to cover as far as Gmail goes and how things are organized is what's called labels. And labels are basically for people that are coming from other types of email clients. It's like a folder, except again, if you remember, everything lives in all mail in Gmail, but the labels allow you to categorize or tag your mail under different sections. So to do labels, it's really easy. That's one thing I love about it is if you do decide you want a label, you can create one right on the fly, and you can just new label and hit create, and you can see that label is there, and then now I can apply this message to that label and it moves it out of the inbox. But if we go, just like I said, it'll still be in all mail, and you can see it's also under new label. So we can also just click new label, and that brings us to that specific message. You can also create sub-labels. So for instance, if this new label you wanted to edit it, and let's change the color, and we wanted to rename it, so we can hit edit. I'm going to go projects and hit save. So now it's projects. Now we can go in and say we decided we wanted to add a sub-label to that. So project 1 create. So now you can see that on the left of projects there's a small little drop down, little arrow there. We can click that, and then that'll show us the sub-label. And we can set those colors, and the nice thing about colors is when we're in there, when we're looking at, say, all mail, the color tags kind of highlight a little bit, so everything's not gray and white and that kind of stuff. It shows up a little more. So things that are important, like project 1, I might want to make it red, and then I'm going to take this message and I'm going to use another way to label it. I'm just going to drag and drop, and now you can see project 1 is done. So you do have the functionality to drag and drop. And you can also, because labels are just basically ways to tag messages, you can have multiple labels under the same message, but again they all still live in the same spot under the all mail, but you can drill down if you wanted to make that choice of messages you're looking for a little bit smaller. But if you use the search tool, that will also get you through that stuff very well.